Welcome to our latest video. Today, we are talking about top 7 best water gun on Aliexpress under $50. Through extensive research and based on quality, we've put together a list of options that will meet the needs of different types of buyers. All the links of the water gun are in the description below the video. Subscribe our channel and click on the bell to stay up to date with latest technology reviews. So, let's get started. Introducing the automatic Squirt Gun, the ultimate electric water gun for non-stop fun at every pool party, beach day, or outdoor adventure. With its electric automatic design, this water gun delivers powerful, continuous streams of water, no pumping required. Just aim, pull the trigger, and let the fun begin. Featuring 2 interchangeable water clips, you'll never run out of ammo during your epic water battles. Reload quickly and stay ahead of the competition. This electric water gun has 4.0 rating on Aliexpress, so that we recommend this electric water gun to you. Perfect for the pool, beach, or backyard, the automatic Squirt Gun is designed for non-stop summer fun, whether you're cooling off in the heat or battling it out with friends. Lightweight and easy to handle, the automatic Squirt Gun is great for kids and adults alike, making it the perfect addition to any summer activity. Get ready to make a splash with the automatic Squirt Gun, electric powered, easy to reload, and built for endless fun. Let the water battles begin. Introducing the Water Absorption Gun, the ultimate summer toy for kids and adults alike. Get ready to soak the competition with this powerful electric water gun. With its automatic water absorption technology, refilling is quick and easy, no more fumbling with small openings. Plus, the large capacity tank means more playtime and fewer interruptions. This electric water gun has 4.5 rating and 100 plus units sales on Aliexpress, so that we recommend this electric water gun to you. Perfect for outdoor fun. This electric water gun is great for parks, beaches, backyards, or pool parties. Whether you're teaming up or going solo, the Water Absorption Gun brings endless excitement to every water battle. Designed with safety and durability in mind, the Water Absorption Gun is lightweight, easy to use, and built to last. Perfect for kids and adults because summer fun has no age limit. The Water Absorption Gun, your go-to weapon for the ultimate summer showdown. Don't miss out, grab yours today and make this summer unforgettable. Introducing the electric water gun, the ultimate full auto water pistol for kids and adults. With its powerful firing capability, this water gun delivers unmatched performance, giving you the edge in every water fight. Perfect for all ages, the electric water gun is your go-to summer toy for pool parties, beach days, and backyard fun. Say goodbye to constant refills. With a high-capacity tank, you'll enjoy over 500 shots per fill, keeping the fun going longer. This electric water gun has 4.3 rating on Aliexpress, so that we recommend this electric water gun to you. Powered by a rechargeable battery, the electric water gun ensures non-stop action. And with recyclable charging, it's eco-friendly and easy to recharge anywhere. Built for fun and durability, this water gun is the strongest and most exciting way to beat the summer heat. Get ready to dominate the summer with the electric water gun. High power, high capacity, and endless fun. Introducing the all-new electric water gun Squirt Pistol, the ultimate toy for high-pressure, high-speed fun. Featuring an electric automatic repeater, this water gun delivers high-speed, continuous water delivery at the press of a button. No pumping required. Perfect for kids and adults, the electric water gun combines a strong driving force with precision, ensuring you dominate every water fight. Built for summer adventures, the waterproof battery compartment keeps your water gun safe and functional, even in the wettest conditions. This electric water gun has 4.2 rating and 10,000 plus units sales on Aliexpress, so that we recommend this electric water gun to you. Powered by a reliable lithium battery, this water gun offers long-lasting playtime with quick and easy charging, so the fun never stops. With its high-pressure performance and durable design, the electric water gun Squirt Pistol is the ultimate summer toy for hours of unforgettable fun. Get ready to make a splash this summer with the electric water gun Squirt Pistol. Power, precision, and endless fun. Order yours today. Introducing the Summer Electric Water Gun, the ultimate water blaster with a futuristic twist. Get ready to experience the coolest water battles of the summer. With its sci-fi-style design and trendy color schemes, the Summer Electric Water Gun is more than just a toy, it's a statement. Built with durable ABS material, it's tough enough to handle drops and endless hours of fun. Fully automatic and built for action, this water gun delivers continuous streams of water with just a pull of the trigger. perfect for backyards, beaches, or parks. It's the ultimate summer companion for kids and teens alike. This electric water gun has 5.0 rating on Aliexpress, so that we recommend this electric water gun to you. Made with high-quality ABS material, the summer electric water gun is built to last. Safe, durable, and easy to use, it's the perfect toy for endless outdoor fun. The summer electric water gun, futuristic design, powerful performance, and non-stop fun. Make this summer unforgettable. Grab yours today. Introducing the Flame Electric Water Gun, the coolest way to dominate any water battle. Featuring simulated flame effects and automatic sensor lights, this electric water gun takes water fights to a whole new level of excitement. Designed for outdoor adventures, this water gun is perfect for pool parties, beach days, or backyard battles. It's the ultimate summer toy for kids aged 14 and up. This electric water gun has 4.0 rating on Aliexpress, so that we recommend this electric water gun to you. Powered by a reliable lithium battery, the Flame Electric Water Gun delivers long-lasting performance for endless fun. Quick and easy to recharge, so you're always ready for action. Safety first. Always remember to play responsibly and avoid aiming at eyes during your epic water battles. With CE certification, you can trust that the Flame Electric Water Gun is built with safety and quality in mind. Turn up the heat this summer with the Flame Electric Water Gun, high-powered, safe, and endlessly fun. Get yours now and light up the battlefield. Introducing the Jet Electric Water Gun, the ultimate summer companion for outdoor fun. Get ready to dominate the battlefield with cutting-edge features and endless excitement. With its double water jet system and electric automatic firing, the Jet Electric Water Gun delivers unmatched power and precision. Lightweight and portable, it's built for fast-paced action wherever you go. This electric water gun has 4.9 rating and 1,000+ unit sales on Aliexpress, so that we recommend this electric water gun to you. Perfect for the beach, pool, or backyard, this water gun turns every outdoor activity into an unforgettable adventure. Whether you're teaming up or going solo, victory is in your hands. Designed with safety in mind, the Jet Electric Water Gun features a reliable lithium battery, waterproof electronics, and CE certification for worry-free fun. Always remember to play responsibly. The Jet Electric Water Gun, your passport to the ultimate summer showdown. Get yours today and make every water battle legendary. Guys, that is all I had for today. If you have not seen these videos, I suggest you watch them. I hope you enjoyed the video. Please don't forget to subscribe to our channel and give this video a thumbs up.